100 Deadly Skills is a unique and practical guide authored by Clint Emerson, a retired Navy SEAL. Drawing on his extensive experience in elite military operations, Emerson compiles a collection of survival tactics and skills designed to help individuals protect themselves in various threats and dangerous situations. The book is structured into easily digestible tips, each detailing methods to evade, defend, and overcome potential adversaries or life-threatening scenarios. This manual goes beyond conventional self-defense advice, diving into covert military techniques adapted for civilian use. Skills range from immobilizing attackers to escaping kidnappings and securing personal data. Emerson emphasizes preparation, vigilance, and the smart use of one's surroundings for self-protection. Ideal for readers interested in survivalism, personal security, and espionage tactics, 100 Deadly Skills offers both the everyday citizen and the seasoned professional valuable insights into the world of survival from a seasoned Navy SEAL's perspective. Whether you're looking to enhance your self-defense capabilities or simply more curious about the secret tactics of special forces, this book serves as a comprehensive resource for staying safe in a dangerous world.